This property is a tall order, reaching 4 stories. Its limited 16 units in this private residence ensures security, privacy, and a sense of community. A 20-meter swimming pool only for residents use, 24-hour security, and in this unit, its own private elevator. Let's go take a look. This property is 380 square meters, which is around 3,500 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and 2 kitchens, one for everyday use, and the second one in the basement for catering parties. Adjacent to the living and dining room is this wonderful family kitchen with a very nice Siemens hidden dishwasher, paneled to integrate completely and seamlessly into the kitchen. Solid quartz countertops, Siemens appliances, and a double-wide Hitachi refrigerator, perfect for the home cook. Coming up from the living and dining room area is a mezzanine. This can be converted into a private office or as a private TV area, overlooking the living and dining room downstairs. And here we are in the master suite, the only bedroom on the 4th floor. The master suite has its own private TV nook, and being on the 4th floor takes advantage of the fantastic city views behind me. The master suite is separated into two sections, the sleeping area here and the dressing area clad in silver and gold. The dressing area leads to the white marble bathroom. Take a look. Private elevators is probably the best feature in the house. But what I love are the double height ceilings, which bring volume into the room, and the marble used throughout the house to tie in the decorating feature from room to room. From the marble dining table for 6 to the marble walls throughout the house. It brings a sense of opulence, a sense of volume, and a sense of grandeur to the property. This property is in the heart of Bangkok, close to international schools and hospitals, as well as Michelin star restaurants. And it is currently on the market for rent at 200,000 baht per month, which is about $6,000. And with 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a private elevator, it's an absolute steal. Thank you for joining us on Homes by Thai Property Guide. Here at Thai Property Guide, we aim to show you your dream home when moving to Bangkok. If you would like more information about the properties, or you would like to contact us for reviewing, you can find our contact details in the description box below or on our website, thaipropertyguide.com. Bangkok is a wonderful city, and we look forward to showing you the very best of it.